Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We recently witnessed the issue of Atul Subhash. It was a case of tragic incident और दिल जाके रोता है जब ऐसे दुखद घटनाएं हम देखते हैं. Since number of students from the very beginning of this day, since morning they are requesting कि इस चीज़ पे बात की जाए. We thought of making a video. So we'll break this issue into some components कि क्या चीज़ है, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, why element, and finally the solution part of it. What is the issue recently, what happened recently? Let's try to hear it from Mr. Fatesh Kumar Sahu, Advocate, Supreme Court of India.
थैंक यू मिस्टर चुने. सी वी हैव सीन कि अभी इस प्रकार के इंसिडेंट हुआ जिसमें सुसाइड हुआ. बेसिकली इट वाज अ फैमिली मैटर जो स्टार्ट होती है एक सिविल क्राइम की तरह. जो फैमिली में नॉर्मल डिस्प्यूट्स होते हैं, जो भी कुछ भी कारण हो सकते हैं डिस्प्यूट्स के, फिर वो उसके खिलाफ फॉल्स एफआईआर लॉन्च होते हैं तो उसे कंटेस्ट किया जाता है. और ड्यू टू सम अदर रीजंस जब वो कोप अप नहीं हो पाता तो इस प्रकार के ट्रेजिक इंसिडेंट होते हैं. जैसे मिस्टर जुनैद जी बोले कि भाई व्हाट आर द कॉजेज फॉर दैट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्यों इस प्रकार के इंसिडेंट हो रहे हैं. थ्रू our practice we got to know that if we see the root cause of such kind of incident, the root cause lies in the family itself. शादी से ही चीज़ें शुरू हो जाती है. कंसेंट लिया नहीं जाता, शादी हो जाती है. then there are many discontent happens. किसी को रिलेशनशिप में इशू आ रही है, किसी को अदर फैमिली मेम्बर से प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. ओके, so many discontents usually rise up.
Yes, yeah, by this you mean to say the prime and foremost reason for such issues is the vengeance or sort of revenge, right?
Yes.
Apart from that, I see as per the data, many such issues arise because of the demands of through extortions, right? As per the report recently, a gang in Rajasthan, they have earned 15 crore from such incidences. Okay, this is about the why element. And don't you think so there are loopholes in legal system as well? I like to know from you.
Yes, there are loopholes. But before that, as you recently mentioned that there are a kind of extortion. But in that extortion, there is also a कड़ी जिसको हम बोलेंगे ग्रीड, लालच. लालच के मारे ही हम क्या करते हैं, झूठे एफआईआर लॉन्च कर दिए जाते हैं. Now I am coming to the very recent point which you have raised recently about the legal loopholes. Loophole तो है ही पूरे. अगर हम लॉ की ही बात करें
Yes.
तो वो लॉ का पूरा स्पिरिट ही एक प्रकार से देखा जाए तो बायस्ड है.
Yes.
टेक द केस ऑफ डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस का पूरा अगर स्पिरिट ही उठाएं तो दैट ओनली प्रोटेक्ट्स द वुमेन.
Yes. Apart from domestic violence, there is a cruelty provision also.
There is a cruelty provision also.
And in cruelty, there is a presumption that cruelty can happen only against women. So what sort of presumption this is beyond my apprehension, and I see this legal system. There is a need to improve this. कि खाली नाम criminal reforms नाम change करने से reforms नहीं होते. There is a need of updation. कम से कम ये laws तो gender neutral होने चाहिए. Apart from legal, do you think that there is a need to have a judicial reforms as well?
Yes, there has to have some judicial reform. But first of all, if we see the case of Atul Subhash, wherein judge has been alleged कि उन्होंने उनसे कुछ फिरौती की डिमांड करी, ब्राइब की डिमांड करी, ठीक है, और उस ब्राइब को जब वो नहीं दे पाया देन उसके खिलाफ केस चला गया, ठीक है. तो अगर हम इस प्रकार की चीज़ों को अगर हम देखें तो ये क्लियरली एविडेंट है कि हियर जज इज वेरी इनसेंसिटिव. Our practice we have noticed that particularly at lower court when it's come to the cases against the women, most of the judges are insensitive towards men.
And
उनकी नज़र में ये है कि हाँ सिर्फ और सिर्फ women ही victim हो सकते हैं.
Fateh sir, a little bit deviation from your viewpoint here. We have to see that these are mere allegations. People may see that तो क्या हुआ? This guy, Mr. Atul has alleged it's not the reality. But I will like to tell the audience here that there is a provision by the old evidence which has been now changed into new reform, that one is not expected to die when he is going to meet his Lord. That is, this statement of Mr. Atul is carrying an effect of dying declaration, and we know usually dying declaration is abruptly admitted as an evidence in 99% of the cases. So there is a chance that even that judge may be prosecuted also.
Yes, in our criminal judicial system there is a provision कि अगर कोई मर रहा है और वो मरते मरते कोई एलिगेशन या आरोप लगा देता है कि उसके कारण से ऐसा हुआ, तो दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ क्रेडिबल एविडेंस कि हाँ ऐसा हुआ है.
Yes.
हियर एटलीस्ट इन दिस केस इफ देयर इज अ एलिगेशन कि हाँ कि जज ने मुझसे इतने पैसे का डिमांड किया, तो इसमें 100% तो प्योरिटी नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन दैट इज हैविंग अ क्रेडिबल validity of
Yes.
being considered as evidence. Okay, but it is up to the trial court whether he is agreeing with this evidence or not. So
Yes.
it is, since a sub judice matter, we are not
Going into such details, as we just want to sensitize and make audience aware about the issue. We don't want to pass a dicta or any sort of judgment here.
Correct.
We do not want media trial here.
Right.
Okay. Now we are in crisp the why element we addressed, that social reasons are responsible, judicial reasons are responsible, and legal reasons are responsible for behind such evidences. And there is a shocking report of DCWO, Delhi Commission for Women, that more than 50% of such cases are based upon false narrations. So this is not the data we are quoting from our mind. This is available on DCWO website. And apart from these why element, we will like to know from Fateh ji that what are the solutions for it. क्या सोल्यूशन, कैसे आप देखते हैं इस मसले को, कैसे इन इश्यूज को कैसे सॉल्व किया जाए?
जुनैद जी, यहाँ पे आपने एक बात कही कि मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में फॉल्स एफआईआर होते हैं, फॉल्स एलिगेशन होते हैं. तो ये जैसे कि एक लीगल प्रोसीडिंग्स है जिसमें फॉल्स एलिगेशन आपके खिलाफ स्टार्ट हुआ, तो बीइंग अ विक्टिम, बीइंग हियर द विक्टिम इज मेल, तो हमारे पास भी एक लीगल राइट है कि हम उस फॉल्स एलिगेशन को ही चैलेंज कर सकते हैं, फॉल्स एफआईआर को ही चैलेंज कर सकते हैं. इन आवर क्रिमिनल सिस्टम वी हैव दिस प्रोविजन. नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू द सॉल्यूशन. If we have seen, the root cause of this kind of problem is starting from family disputes.
बिल्कुल.
Family dispute को हम एड्रेस कैसे कर सकते हैं? Through a basic level of counseling.
Correct.
So we need to go for a family counseling. We need to go for a couple counseling. One should exercise that. And this counseling has been given a formal color in our judicial system in the form of mediation. So one should go for the mediation. Apart from that, there is legal provision also. So मैं इसमें आपका व्यू जानना चाहूंगा कि जो लीगल रिफॉर्म क्या हो सकती है इसमें.
आई बिलीव आई हाईलाइटेड दैट कि लीगल रिफॉर्म्स को लाने की जरूरत है, स्पेशली क्रिमिनल रिफॉर्म्स. जैसा कि मैंने इससे पहले भी बोला, अभी दोहराता हूं कि मेयरली नाम कानून का चेंज करने से रिफॉर्म्स नहीं आते. एज 99% ऑफ दीज केसेस जो हम देख रहे हैं, न्यू लॉज, दे आर कॉपी पेस्ट ऑफ ओल्ड लॉ. सो देयर इज अ नीड to make these laws as gender neutral.
Exactly.
Because otherwise it's just like that we are living in the third world. We are having an irrebuttable presumption that males cannot be victims.
Yes. As we
this is a shock. This is a shock to us.
Don't you think we always advocate for right to equality, जहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं कि male and female are equal, but when it comes to law, तो हम उसको gender neutral ना करके gender bias कर देते हैं.
Yes.
We perceive that female are the only victim.
And in this context, do you agree with me? If there is a commission for women, even in such cases, there should be commission for men as well.
Yes, why not? We are talking for the equality, so there should be have similar commission for the male counterpart as well.
Okay.
So it is the high time, as there are many false incidents are happening against the male also. So it is the high time to establish such commission that usually hear the causes of the male. कुछ तो ऐसा होना चाहिए ना, पुरुष आयोग जिस प्रकार से महिला आयोग है.
Okay. On judicial front, when it comes to judicial reforms, what are the suggestions? What are the takeaways which you will like to mention here?
Throughout our practice, I have noticed that many a times I have found that judges, particularly at lower court, are insensitive towards men. So I believe that these judges should be properly sensitized, and for that, a proper training should be given to them. Many of the time, I have noticed that these judges are reluctant to take the reference of the apex court order. बहुत सारे ऐसे चीजें हैं. In fact, very recently, the apex court has pronounced that many of the time 498 has been misused.
Yes, and this is the broad day violation of Article 141 of the Constitution. Law declared by Supreme Court shall be binding on all courts within the territory of India.
So even after quoting this apex court,
yes,
they are reluctant to consider.
Exactly. And On reform front, so far as judicial reforms are concerned, training, the point which beautifully you quoted here, I would like to add that this training should not be one time only. It should be on periodical basis. There has to be a periodical mechanism, because what happens after, eventually after some years, the judges forgot what they have learned in training, as we are witnessing in this Mr. Atul's case.
दिस इज द हाई टाइम कि ये सारे जो मतलब हम लोगों ने सोल्यूशन जो अभी सामने आया उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने की आवश्यकता है, सो दैट सच काइंड ऑफ ट्रेजिक इंसिडेंट कैन नॉट हैपन. बट वन वे इफ आई फील दैट इट्स अबाउट द सोसाइटी आल्सो, जिसमें हम लोग को ये समझना है कि भाई सारी चीज़ें जो है फीमेल स्पेसिफिक ही नहीं है, कुछ पुरुषों का भी है, उनका भी कुछ इंटरेस्ट होता है. So, being a gender neutral, this would be at societal level also.
Yes, I believe we discussed this issue holistically as far as practicable. जितना भी हमारा free time था अभी break में, and we are getting calls from inside that case is about to begin. I hope you enjoyed this video. यहाँ पे हमने what, why, how and way ahead solutions की बारे में बात की. I thanks Mr. Fatesh.
Thank you, Mr. Junaid sir.
Thank you so much.